If you're buying land for later settlement, consider the location na weather ya hiyo location, because old age na baridi ziko hivi hazipelekani at all.
Eni muthenya ni uyu ndirakwiraga yo muthenya ni uyu eni wa gutara irathimo kimwe gwa kimwe yo muthenya ni uyu eni mirango itu nirahingurwo yo muthenya ni uyu eni augite ni uyu gutiri ũngĩgarũra
plot moja inauzangwa na plot ya 50 by 100, getting a 6.5 for an acre, especially in a place that is just 6.5 kilometers